everyone, welcome to my food channel. This is Anagha Coca, and in this video I'll be showing you something easy, instant and crispy, ideal for the monsoon season, that is onion masala pakoris. So let's watch how to make this, and if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe. Let's watch how to make this onion masala pakoris or pakoras. So for making masala onion pakora, first we need to add sliced onions, 3 to 4 onions. Add green chillies, add chopped curry leaves, add coriander leaves chopped, add salt, turmeric, coriander powder, chili powder, garam masala powder, little sugar, jeera. Now mix this well. Once mixed properly, add chickpea flour or besan. Add more if required. Add the soda water. Make sure, in case if you are using soda, don't add the regular water. Mix well. Now this batter is ready, and we need to have a consistency like this, not too thin, not too thick. And now we'll heat the oil and make pakoris. Now take a kadai and add oil. So here the masala onion pakora is ready, and if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe. Thank you.